Welcome back to the Periodic Podcast, where chemistry gets conversational. I'm Colin, your science translator and periodic table enthusiast.
And I'm Edwards, just a science student here to ask questions you might be wondering about. Today we're talking about nitrogen, right?
Yep, element number 7 and symbol N, and one of the most important and overlooked elements in your life. It's everywhere.
It's even in the air, right?
That's right. About 78% of Earth's atmosphere is nitrogen gas, or N2. It's a diatomic molecule, 2 nitrogen atoms bonded with a triple covalent bond that makes it extremely stable and non-reactive.
So we breathe it in but don't really use it?
Exactly. Our bodies can't break that triple bond. It's kind of like having a pantry full of food that you can't eat.
So who figured all this out?
Nitrogen was officially discovered in 1772 by Scottish physician Daniel Rutherford. He was studying what was left in air after oxygen was removed. He called it noxious air at first because it couldn't support life or combustion.
Noxious air. Interesting. What else is there?
Through nitrogen fixation, certain bacteria, like rhizobium, live in the roots of nodules of legumes to convert N2 into ammonia, NH3. Using an enzyme called nitrogenase, that ammonia can then be used by plants to make amino acids, proteins, and nucleic acids.
And then we eat the plants or the animals that ate the plants, and then we get the nitrogen?
Exactly. You're basically made of recycled nitrogen atoms.
Awesome. But humans can fix nitrogen too, right?
Yep. In 1909, Fritz Haber developed a way to artificially combine atmospheric nitrogen with hydrogen to make ammonia. This process became known as the Haber process, industrialized by Carl Bosch.
That's a process that makes fertilizer, right?
Right. It changed the world. It's estimated that half the proteins in your body exist thanks to nitrogen fixed industrially using this method.
Whoa. Okay, so where else is nitrogen used?
Tons of places. Hospitals. Liquid nitrogen is used to preserve biological samples at ultra-cold temperatures. It's also used in cryogenetics and in food packing to keep things fresh.
I've seen liquid nitrogen make that fog effect. What else is it used in?
It's also used in cars' airbags. Sodium iodide, NaN3, rapidly decomposes to release nitrogen gas, inflating the airbag in milliseconds.
Whoa, that's really cool.
Yeah, nitrogen is the unsung hero of both biology and industry, quietly keeping you alive, helping grow your food, and even saving your life in emergencies.
And to think it started off as noxious air?
Pretty wild, huh? That's chemistry. There's always more than meets the eye.
Thank you for this deep dive, Colin. I'll never take nitrogen for granted again.
And thanks for listening to the Periodic Podcast. If you enjoy this episode, follow us for more quick bursts of elemental wisdom.
And remember, chemistry is everywhere.